Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox is not launching on Windows 10 or 11. So if I press on Roblox, as you can see here, Roblox is not launching. As you can see here, nothing works and nothing's loading up. So what you need to do here, you need to go to the system tray and then look for Riva Tuner. Right? Riva Tuner statistics server, maybe you're using for FPS or something like that. So all you need to do here is to close that, simply close that, then go back on Roblox. And as you can see here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, but now Roblox is running. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and just comment in the comment section below of this video if it's worked for you or not, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.